Man, we've been straight getting after it. It takes a lot of time and energy to get it done, but this is the real forest and fire, alright? That. Set back in there for a minute, and then we'll go ahead and start pounding it. Make sure you guys can see the anvil. It's over here. That. I got no light. I'll be right back. Okay, I don't know if that helps or not, but I had to go get some light quick. Oh, you guys can see. Look at a welding mask. So let's go ahead and strike while the iron's hot. We're getting somewhere. Get that back in the fire. I've been burning straight logs. Straight logs. I mean, they're burning as fast as I can harvest them, really. So the bottom of the drill still solid, hasn't melted through. I've been running the pump the whole time, and I mean, it's working. this one, I'm done for the night. Pretty good. Really. I'm starting to get a blade, so I'm getting there. Oh, buddy. After this, I'm done for the night, guys. Straight raining now, so I gotta drink some beer. Get him out inside. I gotta say, not too bad for a homemade ghetto forge. Not too bad at all. I'm gonna let all this stuff burn off. I gotta put the fire out, but yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all. That's pretty fun, honestly. I've been watching a lot of Forge and Fire. Not really, but I've seen a couple episodes. Not too bad. We'll get after it another time here. It's just raining, just pissing, so I'm calling it a night. I'm gonna continue with this. And then here's my other guy right here. I'll show you this one. Really didn't get much on that, but it's worth a shot. But this one's gonna be good. I'm gonna make it like a long, I don't know. I don't even know. Whatever it turns into is what I'm making. So, but I'm feeling like maybe a skinny chopper or something. I don't know. We'll see. All right, guys. I appreciate you guys hanging in there, checking it out. I got a propane tank. I'm looking to build another forge, so I'm gonna build a legit one though this time. Something that'll hold the heat. It'll be insulated. So. Stay tuned for that. It's time for me to pack it on up. Gotta pack it on up for the night. I could quench this, but I'm not gonna because I still want to use it. I still got work to do to it, so that. So that. My homemade contraption. Just an air pump through a steel rod that runs directly into the barbecue grill. The bottom didn't melt out or nothing. Nice. So yeah. Or did it? Nope, the bottom's still holding up. Looks like something came loose on the bottom, but she's still holding up, so we're gonna let that burn off. We'll let all that burn off. Wind goes east to west. We're going to let that go like that. Back it up, and I appreciate you guys hanging in there, checking it out. LSPR Nation. Alright, guys. Woo. Yeah. Yeah, I even burnt myself in the face. But, yeah, buddy, we're gonna get to it tomorrow, so. Have a great day. Peace.